On this day, it was my son's birthday, and they asked us to dance a couple dance. So I was just dancing with my wife here, and we're just having a nice time celebrating our first child, and it was a thing of joy with me and my beautiful wife. And at this point, my son was somewhere, and daddy and mommy were busy dancing. Oh yeah, let's go there. Let's go there. You see I can dance? Oh shit. Come on. So my kid sister just came to support and then appreciate our dance. And she gave my wife plenty money. And she gave me small. That was funny though. But it is a beautiful experience, And I'm happy to celebrate my son's birthday, 1 year birthday. It was a thing of joy. Yeah. Happy birthday, son.